guys, this is so easy, like it's a little bit too easy maybe. Anyway, hi. Today is a very special video because it's a recreation video. It's gonna be of this skirt, which was very highly requested. I upcycled this skirt out of a large pair of men's jeans. And I bought the jeans because of the wash. I loved this wash and I was like, gonna make it into a skirt. And stick around because I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you're wondering, this is also an upcycle and I made a video on it. Link is below. If you're watching this video, so I covered all the bases there. Thrifted these shorts. Love the wash. That's all there is to that. Okay, just come on down here. So, okay, guys, this is so easy. Like, it's a little bit too easy maybe. Seriously, this is gonna take like all of 5 minutes. Should we get started? First things first, we are going to cut the crotch seam open. There are a few little details on my old skirt that make it so special to me and like why I love it so much. And one of them is this detail right here of like the crotch seam on the outside of the skirt and how you can see it. The other one is how it is an A-line instead of like tight to my body. And how I did that was I added in extra jean remnants from the old jeans that I thrifted. Kind of just like cut the side seams into a V and added those in. So in order to achieve that crotch crossover kind of look, I'm gonna take my scissors and cut all the way up to the zipper. And then once that's all done, I can kind of just take this part with the thick seam right here and the top stitching and put it over this leg until it lays nice right here. And then we can do the same thing on the back. Here's what that looks like in the back. So I folded over, made 2 wonky looking stitches right there. On the front, all I did was fold it over this leg, as you can see, and just top stitch where those top stitches were. These guys are a little bit too big for me, but I'm not gonna take them in just yet because this is the exciting part. At least for me. I want to move these pockets over a little bit. They're kind of too wide looking for me, but I'm mostly excited because on the inside is this darker wash and it's gonna look sweet when I move them over just a little bit because you'll get to see that darker wash. I'll show you when I'm done, but I am not excited to seam rip these pockets. It might take forever, but I think it'll be worth it. Anyway, BRB. Look at this color, man. Oh my gosh, it's gonna look dope. Okay, so hi, change of plans. Nothing's new here. I think that I want to take the skirt in before I stitch these on. Looking cool, right? Am I the only one excited? I don't know, probably. It's fine. It's my channel, right? Look, if you don't know me by now, my middle name is Take the Easy Way Out, and that's just how I operate around here. So I'm not gonna be doing anything fancy when I take the side seams in here, but I'm going to like fit them around my waist and then gradually make the stitch. So I'll fit it to my waist, I'll stitch that right there, and then I'm gonna gradually take that stitch out into a diagonal into the old stitch so that it kind of makes an A-line shape. I'm gonna start with the waist and then go from there. Okay. Update. Okay, I've got the side seams all taken in. This is what they look like. I'll show you what the inside seam looks like. Hold on. So here's the original seam, and then here's my seam. And I just joined the two together there, and then sewed a diagonal, like I was saying, very gradual, so it doesn't turn out wonky, all the way to the regular seam, which I'll probably cut it off to be shorter around here. But I wanted to say I'm glad that I waited to do the pockets because I think I want to move them in a little bit more. If you guys don't know, the placements of pockets are like essential to how good your butt looks in jeans pretty much, and I think I'm gonna have them more like this, and it's just the slightest difference, but I kind of angled it a little bit more in and moved it towards this center seam more. I tried it on, and I'm glad that I waited to sew the pockets on, because since this skirt is a little bit A-line, it's kind of tilts outward. It made these pockets look like wider apart than they actually were, so that's why I'm gonna move them in a little bit, angle them inwards, and then my booty will look fantastic. I'm gonna go do that, cut off the bottom, be right back. I was gonna be done after that, but I think I might want to do like a little bit of denim patchwork. I was just wearing one of my favorite DIYs that I've ever done. It's these like patchwork jeans. I bleached them and like just did a bunch of weird stuff to them. And you guys seem to really like them when I post pictures on Instagram. So tell me down below if you would like to see a remake of those jeans, because I will totally do that for you. Anyway, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of patchwork because why not? And then I'll be done. We'll see how they look. So that's it. All I did was add a little denim square and voila. I love this skirt. It's a bit quirkier than my other skirt, but the same principle applies on how to make it. If you try and make this, please tag me. Please, please tag me. It makes my day. It makes my life when you guys make stuff. Also, does anyone recognize this top at all? It used to be a dress. Do you know what I'm talking about? I upcycled like 3 things. It was a video a while ago, and I was like, I don't know what to do with this dress. You guys were like, make it into a top. And I was like, duh. Thank you. I freaking love it now, and I'm gonna wear it all the time when it was just sitting in my closet before. So thank you for commenting. This is why I want you guys to comment. If whatever videos you want to see me make, what you want to see me sew, like those jeans. Tell me if you want to see that. Because I'll do it. Try me. I'll do it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this one. I hope to see you next time. Peace.